You want to learn how to make cornhole boards? Well, stick around. I'm going to teach you. So the supplies you need are 4 3/8 by 4.5 inch long carriage bolts, 8 3/8 washers, 4 3/8 wing nuts, a tube of plastic wood filler, 4 2x3s by 8 feet long, or you can use 2x4s as well. I chose 2x3s because I wanted my boards to be lighter. I also bought one extra piece just in case anything happens. You need 2 1/2 inch thick 2 feet by 4 feet sanded plywood. You can go with full sheets, but it was easier for me to go with these ones. Our first cuts will be 4 pieces at 48 inches long, and these will be for the sides of the boards. Next, we'll cut the header and footer of the boards at 21 inches long. Lastly, we'll cut our legs at 13 inches. Here I'm laying out my marks because we will pre-drill these holes to prevent the boards from cracking as we screw them together. To make sure the frame is square, measure diagonally and ensuring the distance is the same, or you can use a speed square. I like to use nail gun when attaching the plywood to the frame, but decking screws work just as good. Mark out the center of the hole, 12 inches from the side, 9 inches from the top. I use a 6-inch hole saw because I make these boards often. However, you can use a compass to draw out the circumference of the circle, drill a hole, and proceed to cut it out using a jigsaw. I use a router to remove the edge to prevent the board from chipping in the future. You can get the same effect by just using your sander. Next, I fill in any holes with that plastic wood filler. Next, we'll mark out where the hole for the legs will be. 5 inches from the top of the board and half the width of the side. In this case, that's 1.25 inches. Clamp your leg to the side of the board. Drill through both the frame and the leg. Try your best to keep the drill level and straight. I like to use a solo cup to shape the top of the leg. Next, use a router to cut out the shape. Sand until you get the exact curve you like. Cut the angle for the foot of your leg. I use 31.5 degrees. Lastly, attach the legs and hardware. So that's going to be it for this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have other ways of building cornhole boards. This is just the preferred way I do it. There's really no wrong way other than, you know, not making a cornhole board. If you want to see how this set of cornhole boards was designed, there'll be a link down below in the description. If you found that this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe, tell your friends. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.